All right, at Carter Caves State Resort Park, just by the visitor center, and we are going to do the Natural Bridge Loop. It's roughly a half-mile trail. This natural bridge is massive. It's so large that it supports a roadbed on top. So pretty cool. When you go in it's just a huge arch. You'll see it. Black bears are on the rise in Kentucky. You know, there are a couple ways you can go. See the bridge there. We're going to go to the left to the natural bridge first, but we will come back across that bridge on the loop. Somebody's setting up for a party. Now, if you did want to do the entire loop, about less than 2/10 of a mile back here to the beginning of the arch. All right, here is the natural bridge. And if you didn't want to do the loop, just wanted to see the bridge, you could do that in less than 2/10 of a mile, really flat, easy. See the hole in the top of the bridge? Show you that when we continue on the loop. And if you want to follow this trail all the way through, just follow the white blazes along the creek. Kids playing in the cold water of this creek. Now this goes up some steps and crosses over the road and back onto the bridge. Okay, we're a quarter mile in and approaching the top of the bridge. If you're familiar with Carter Caves, that road leads you up to the campgrounds. To your left, the lower one, goes back to the visitor center. And we are crossing over the natural bridge right now. Down there just moments ago. Now we were talking about that hole in the top of the natural bridge. Here it is. Leaning over here. See how far I can go without falling. Something you find here at Carter Cave State Resort Park, on some trees like this red maple, you will see a little QR code, and that basically takes you to, I believe, a YouTube video which will describe more in depth about the tree that you're seeing. We see these on several trees here throughout the park, especially on some of the easier trails. To show you how short and easy this trail is, we are a little over 3/10 of a mile, and that area takes you to a little playground. Here is a picnic area where we crossed. We saw the bridge to cross to, and the car going through the creek. Then you cross back over this bridge to complete the loop. There's a bridge that's starting to fall in. It's been closed. And this is a memorial for the Grayson Rotary Club, who apparently was instrumental in making this park a reality. Very pretty state park.
Thanks for exploring the natural bridge at Carter Caves with us. This is nature's artistry at its finest. Now, if you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that bell that we don't miss any more of our outdoor adventures right here at Bushes on the Trail. Meanwhile, strap on your packs, grab your cameras, and go out and enjoy your own little walk in the woods. Thanks for watching, everyone.